My name is Ben Knowles from East Coast Yacht Sales, and behind me here is a brand new 2020 Axopar 28 Cabin. We just got this boat off the ship and she is available for sale. So I'm going to walk you through the details of this particular boat. If you'd like some more information, like a sheet of all the options and pricing in the descriptions, I'll include a link to that information. I'll also include a link to the other boats that we have available for sale and my contact information for you to schedule your viewing. So please take a look at this video, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Thank you very much. So we'll start our tour on the exterior of the boat. Do a quick walk around. As you can see, she has some bottom paint and also the bow thruster. We spec out our inventory boats to be quite well equipped, which this boat certainly is. She is a 28 cabin with aft bench seating. And these chairs right here are flip down chairs, which I'll show you in a minute. But she just came off the ship. We've got trim tabs. We have, those are underwater lights right there, nice good quality. And this has the Mercury 350 horsepower in cold fusion white. So with this 350, you'll be able to cruise easily in the 34 knot range and be able to get better than 2 nautical miles per gallon of fuel, and you'll max out at about 44 knots. And so here we are walking into the aft deck. We'll show you what the storage is like. So you have a nice storage compartment here, which goes pretty far forward as well. So you can put some water toys right up there. And then also you have this seating here. So you can sit 3 people here, and then with 2 more seated aft here, you can sit 5 in this area. And with this seating area, you have storage underneath here as well, as you do with this corner storage. And this is insulated, so you can put ice in here, and it's drained, so you can put ice in here and fill it up with drinks if you wish. And off to starboard, this is a similar size compartment, not insulated, good spot for fenders, dock lines, whatever else. Fire extinguisher, speakers. This does have the upgrade speaker package, and also you have a shower aft here. We have the stainless steel target arch with Garmin HD radar, spotlight, and then up on the top is your all-around white navigation light. This boat with these buttons here has the window privacy curtains as well. Moving forward, we'll look in the cabin in a second. You have the Silvertex Sterling colored cushions with your table, and this does have a filler cushion. You also have a 110 charger outlet as well to charge up your batteries. And in your anchor locker, you have your anchor windlass, which is an option as well. And this is your button to control your anchor windlass. Underneath here, this is great storage. This black canvas piece here is the cover for your filler cushion, but this is good storage in here. Here is your head. I love the placement of the head. It is completely in a separate compartment on board the boat and offers great lighting. You have a nice mirror here. This is a electric freshwater head as well. You have some fuses over here, a nice sink, this is some ventilation for the area, and you have a little window here as well. So this certainly checks the box for being able to stay out on the water all day long. Moving into the cabin on this boat, you can see you still have the Silvertech Sterling upholstery. This cabin, I think, is what makes these boats so special. And you have this soft top that's opened up, so she's opened up like now like a center console. But you can easily close these boats off and get more protection. Here is your console here. You have a 12-inch Garmin display. This is your display for your engine data. You have your trim tabs here, bow thruster control, VHF radio, fusion stereo control, and this right here is your diesel heater. And so this is a nicely laid out compartment for shore. You have the optional wooden cabin sole here, which is just being protected by the carpet right now. And this is, you have some plugs behind here, 12-volt plugs, so you can charge your phones and iPads and all of that. And back here, you have seating for 3 adults in this aft area, which is great. And you have a place, this insert is for a table that gets put here. You can spin these chairs around. And so you can seat people on a table up on the bow or in the cabin. And with the this arrangement, you have a nice storage compartment in here, which is great for additional gear, safety gear, or whatever you may need. But the finish work on these Axopars are done very well, nicely executed. It's a nice and simple cabin to keep looking good and keep clean. You've got some nice lighting, which I'll turn on now. I'll show you what. So you have some nice rope lighting, both forward and aft here. So the interior lights up really nicely at night. So this will conclude the walkthrough tour of this Axopar 28. Again, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. And as always, if you like these videos, please click the subscribe button for more videos like this.